Chindeni we walked about 3.5, 4 hours. Stunning walk. Dodging a few breeding elephant herds. And then we got a lift for about 20 minutes to Kapamba, where we're going to be sleeping tonight because Chindeni we're going to do on our last night. Great outdoor view over a flay sort of setup. A bit more compact than the very open feel of Chamalandu. Working area. I like this bed. All the Bush Count Company operations are entirely, they've got their own look about them. Sorry about that light banging out. It is so bright out there. And then we'll hop in there. Just cross the wall into this outdoor shower. That's it. Kapamba camp.